What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing the ammo guard for the headlight, and this is from ABikeThing. So I don't know, I guess are already aware of this one. It's a YouTube channel. Check them out. This is basically what the package comes in. I don't know, they gave me some kind of candy. I don't know if it's safe to eat. Came from all the way from UK. I'll probably try it. And you got a sticker and you got a white box that has your headlight protector. So I ordered the headlight protector and as well as the yellow tint. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually use it. The headlight protector comes with the orange kind of filter already on it that matches the DRL the DRL turn signals because they stay on these bikes. So I don't know why I picked up the yellow one just because I was thinking I was gonna make I don't know. I was thinking I was gonna get there's like a filter attachment to these things where you can have them with a yellow filter. I don't know. So I was thinking I was gonna do that to match the headlight, but we'll see. So here's the package when you open it. This is the orange filter, as you can see there, and this is the yellow one. So I think by default you can choose to not install any filters. So that's also a choice. So there's a lot of choice to make. So let's just open the rest of this thing. It's very easy install when it comes to. I think this is the best looking headlight protector that I've seen. So it's a really cool design. I used to use a kind of the one that goes in front of the headlight. I think if you search my videos, it kind of sits right here like a Puig. It works well, but this one is like the most seamless design. So they include the headlamp protector fitted with clear main lens and amber. Let's see, it's not even fitted. So mine's just basically, mine came with it separately. It's just the clear lens. I might just rock it like this actually. I'll probably just not even put any of the filters on. Let me lift this up. Oh, they even give you a screw. So it's a Torx bit screw. So I might keep that. That's kind of handy. And you have spare screws here. So it's the whole bezel essentially. It's the whole bezel unit replacing this stock bezel here. Doesn't have a glass in front of it. This glass right here is the headlight unit on its own. So it's really like, it's like a fake kind of bezel. So when you take off this bezel, you just put this on and it protects the headlight because it has its own glass. The orange one kind of looks good, but it doesn't look, I guess it matches the rest of the bike when the bike is on. There's also a mirrored lens, which is really, really cool. So that's what it looks like, mocked up before I put it on. So to remove the stock bezel, all you have to do is use the screwdriver provided. And there's only 4 screws, so, and you're not gonna reuse these screws. So that's what they say. For more detailed instructions and explanation of this product, I think I would suggest to just go to ABikeThing's YouTube channel. They explain it way better than I can. I don't want to, kind of step on someone's toes with that because this is their product, so they made 2 videos about it. One explaining what it is, and the other video like an installation video. So I'm doing this one-handed, but I think it's enough to show you guys how easy it is to install. So here we are. I just removed it. I had to use both hands, take my hand off the camera for a sec. And like I said, so when you take the bezel off, you still have the whole glass in there. So this is basically the headlight unit. And if you use the filter, it covers the X portion of this thing and around. So it kind of creates like a, like a silhouette of like either yellow or orange. The ammo guard has its own gasket. You see there on the edge there, there's a gasket all around. So it prevents water or any moisture from coming in, unwanted. And see, it just sits right in front of your headlight. They give you this rubber piece to put just right under there. Like I said, this is not like a really detailed video if you guys want to see the detailed installation video and all that stuff, but it's similar. Go to ABikeThing's YouTube channel and they have everything there. But we were supposed to put this rubber piece kind of close the gap on this plastic piece here, so that's so I think I have to use some pliers and kind of get it in there and not lose it. So I'm on my workbench here, so without putting too much smudges on this glass, I have I'll do a glass cleaner here, but I'm gonna settle, before we put it on the bike, I'm gonna settle with putting on the orange one for now, because it matches the DRL side marker lights, you know, when the bike is on. You can like program that so that it doesn't turn on like that, but it's actually nice touch at night to have those on, so it's like added, you know, visibility. So I'm just gonna match everything with an orange filter. So what I'm gonna do is, I have all the screws here. They give you an extra the 4 screws that comes with this, so you need the longer ones because you're gonna put a filter on top of it. So what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna remove these screws, peel the backing kind of plastic off of this thing, and then I'm gonna lay it like that and put the longer screws on. Okay, so I peeled the backing cover of the filter, I dropped it in there. There is some kind of catch on this part. It doesn't catch onto the lens, it doesn't catch on the filter, it catches on the lens. So there's, mind that lip thing there, so don't get confused. There's 4 washers, don't forget about that. We're gonna use, I believe the screws that we need are these pan head style. It's confusing in the packet. They just named the screws without the picture of the screws, so I just googled what they mentioned. I think pan head is the one that goes in here, and the other one is the one that goes outside. Alright guys, so this is the finished product that we're gonna put on the bike. Actually looks pretty damn good. So, you know, I might rock these. I'm kind of not really a fan of like putting, you know, tacky stuff on the bike, but I don't think this is tacky at all. I think it's a nice touch. It looks OEM. I hope it's not illegal. I don't know, cop wise here in California, I don't know if cops are gonna care about this. Like, normal light is still leaking through. This is just on the DRLs. It just goes over the DRLs, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. We're gonna install it using these 4 screws and see what it looks like on the bike. I'm gonna turn the headlight on too, so you guys can see the full finished product. I went ahead and got the key to the bike. Just want to show you guys before I turned it on. So that's what it's gonna look like. Orange. So it's the only orange thing on the bike when it's not on, but we'll see what it looks like when it's on actually. So that's what I'm talking about. So the light, those DRLs right here and that right there, this is what it's matching basically. So that's what it's gonna look like. It's a nice touch actually, you know, it matches. So when it's on, when the bike is running, it's on all the time, right? So when the bike is running, it's not so bad. So you can see there. That looks pretty damn good. So yeah, when the bike is on, everything is on, I think, or not this one, so not that one. So just the front, these ones stay on. So if down the line, I guess if I want to, I don't know, disable the side marker lights here when it's running, and I can run the yellow, so it'll just be yellow front, and then I could mix it up with putting some filters on the fog lights there. So that's kind of why I got this. This is an extra cost. It comes with the orange one by default. So when you buy the product, it's like $130, something like that. It's not so. It's a pretty good price. It's premium. It's a premium price, but it's a premium product. So, hopefully I cleaned it well enough that there's no smudges in there. But it looks really, really good. Yeah. So it's very easy to install. I think it's a really nice product. I have nothing else to say. It's very straightforward. It does what it's supposed to do. It looks OEM. Clearly protects the whole headlight assembly. So. Alright guys, if you guys like this, like the video and subscribe. I'll try to bring some more GS content for you guys, for the ones that are interested. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.